Yep, broken light, broken light. That wasn't worth synopsis, but I'm not gonna use it to vlog. Oh yes, oh yes, 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 yes. What the fuck is the other one? Oh, right down there. All right, we're pretty much ready. We're gonna tackle the entire day. We're gonna crush it, crush it, crush it, crush it. Don't phone, yeah. Keys, wallet, phone, keys, wallet. Again. We gotta do this again. What's up, dude? Oh, God. Close, you fucking piece of shit. So it's day 2 of Trump Empire. So we go start beside, it's the second vlog. Senatorissuun naruaqanuingallassanersi maangittort misilaaginaaqarlumu unitsaansoata misilaaginaarnaanga. I just wanted to try. No, it's not going to be like that. Ilumoortumiluatikusukkaluarpaa kumatu vlogging and actually make it work. The 30-minute walk. What you doing, son? What you doing, son?
Recording.
What you doing, son?
Recording.
So I forgot my notes today. Huge ass. Daru. Forgot my power bank. Not all on this alone. We'll see about that. It's number 1. Down, let me see. Okay, at location. Yes, Katuapio. That's fucking amazing. Lush district. Yeah, let's make it go to Facebook. November morning. Share. Yeah, no. Thank you. Great, now it's dead. Let's make pancakes. Second milk. Not all, but mas nice out of the. We're doing dual pans for this one. That's good. Pancake Thursday, it's gonna be much sooner. Dum da da 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 dum da. It's the cute little one, but look at that. Jesus. Rasmus. So yeah, that was the end of the fantastic Thursday. Pancake Thursday. Well famous. They're huge. They're absolutely huge. As you can see, it finished well, and I really liked training it out, but we constituted for the powerful pancakes that is world famous here on this Pancake Thursdays. It's going to be a busy day too, and you've been watching vlog episode. But I gotta end this vlog right here. Just tell the story, to tell the motion, to tell keeping little things updated. But life got in the way sometimes. This is vlog number 2, and I will try to keep it going as long as I can. And I will see you in the next video.